channel. It's your girl Blessed Mariah. For those tuning in for the first time, I welcome you to my dysfunctional channel. And for those returning, can't believe you're back, because if you're back, that means you like me, and if you like me, that means I'm doing something that's not dysfunctional. But if you can tell, I'm in a different location right now. I'm actually in a hotel. This is my self-care weekend. Why am I filming? Because I find pride and joy in filming, and I want to get this video done, and I thought that I could take some dope pictures in here for this video, so I decided to film, because why not? But yes, I am taking a self-care weekend. I booked a hotel for a weekend. In my state, they're doing like a healthcare workers like discount, so I booked this whole weekend at the suite for $120. $120. Yeah, $120 for the whole weekend. And here I am, just chilling, relaxing, kicking back, being bull, and just hanging out. You know, I'm gonna be posting like a little recap vlog on my Instagram, so it should be up by now by the time you've seen this video. So if you want to watch what I did during this weekend, that's gonna be on my Instagram, not on my YouTube, because it's gonna be quick, easy, because I didn't really want to like film much on my self-care weekend. I want to show y'all how to have your own self-care weekend, but still enjoying mine at the same exact time. But enough about that, because this video is not about my self-care weekend. This video is about my Skims review. So I decided, after all the Twitter hype, Instagram hype, everything hype, to grab some Skims. For those who don't know what Skims is, here is their Instagram. Skims is a body shapewear, comfort wear, loungewear line owned by Kim Kardashian West. Yes, you heard it correctly. Miss Kim Kardashian owns her own loungewear, shapewear, you know, etc. line. So I decided to buy it for myself to give y'all an honest review. I actually bought this with my own money. I didn't get sponsored, nothing. So I want to show y'all if this was actually worth spending your hard-earned coins on, or if it was a flop. So I'm here to give you an honest review. For those who know me, you know, I don't sugarcoat anything. Even if I was getting paid to do it, I still wouldn't sugarcoat it, because why would I do that? That's freaking fraud. But I'm here to give y'all an honest review on the Skims. So let's get right into it. So the Skims actually came in a package like this. I actually pre-filmed this at home before I came here. My package actually arrived today. I'm going to be telling y'all, when did I order this? Let me tell y'all when I ordered this. I ordered this on April 30th, and today is May 9th. Let me just fact check myself, because you know I'll be lying. Yes, today is May 9th. So I got it, I'm not really sure. I can't math right now. I've been drinking some wine, so I don't really know what math is. But it did take about a week or so to get here. Even with coronavirus going on, they still got it to me on time. One thing I didn't like about this is that they never told me that it was shipped. I had to keep looking on my order received email and click track order, well, click view order to see when my order was coming. So I mean, it is Corona, so they're busy, whatever. But I was mad about that. But I never received the item has been shipped email. So I got, especially with this times, I've been ordering a lot of stuff. So not being able to see my packages and know when they're all coming or know when they're all in transit, it's kind of nerve-wracking to me. But other than that, it's cool. Again, it did come in this box like this, a regular brown box with everything in it. But I actually did purchase the gift box, the gift bag thing, just so I can show you, give y'all a cute aesthetic when I take pictures and stuff for my thumbnail. But it was $4. I wanted to get up to like the free shipping mark, so I bought the bag just in case. So here is the bag that I bought to put it in. It's just a bunch of all the different shapes. Probably Kim Kardashian is in there somewhere, maybe not. And there's shapewear, so I bought this little cute gift bag. So if you want to give someone with some Skims, it's actually really cute packaging to put your item in. So I actually want to open my order to tell you exactly what I ordered. Okay, so I ordered the cotton plunge bralette in the color mineral, and then the cotton rib boxer also in the color mineral, both in a size small. And so the bralette itself, it came in this packaging like this. The bralette was $36. $36 US for this bralette. Boom. And then the boxers came in a similar packaging with the Skims on it, plastic bag. It says, I am not plastic. I am compostable. No, my Yoruba language. Compostable, made from plants. I will biodegrade in your home composite and in an industrial composite facility. So it's not plastic. It's not a plastic bag. She's trying to say eco-friendly, you know, Kim Kardashian is for the people, for the earth, all that fun stuff. So And this was $32. So the boxers was actually cheaper than the bralette. So with the bag was $4. With everything, it was $80. Well, $72. And then shipping would have been $8, but that was, I lied, I didn't get free shipping. I think free shipping was $75. So I was shot by $3. But I wasn't gonna buy another bag because why would I need 2 bags? So whatever, I paid the shipping. It was $72 subtotal, then $8 for shipping. Whatever. I didn't care. Whatever. I just want to get my hands on this because why not? So you guys can see I haven't even opened this. So this is legit a first reaction, first review. Me looking at it out the package, me trying it on, all that. So it's definitely you're gonna see my first reaction about everything. So I'm gonna open this for y'all. These are how the boxers look. Look like your kind of your boyfriend's boxers. If you ladies, you know, we love stealing our boyfriend stuff. So it's basically a boxer right here. It's ribbed and it's cotton. This is actually really comfortable. I like the way it feels on my skin already. So hopefully it feels that good in my actual body. It says Skims right here in the front. Stretches. So that's that. And then let's open this up. And the matching bralette. I really want to get this set in like a chocolate color, but Skims is really sold out. So it's not even like you can get stuff, but I actually think this color will look nice on my skin, so I got this too. So here is the bralette. Just like the boxer, it says Skims right in the front. Let's see if I can show y'all that. Skims right there. And then it's a regular bralette. It has 4. Can I show y'all this? Can y'all see that? It has 4 areas to clip it on, so you can adjust it really well. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier. These are both in the size small, because I mentioned that. So this is how it looks. First impression, I like the way I like that it's ribbed. It gives you probably a nice shape when you have ribbed clothes. You've ever had a ribbed crop top or a ribbed pants. I like the fact that this strap right here is adjustable, so we can make it as tight as you want and as loose as you want. I think this band's gonna be really comfortable just because it feels like cotton and it feels smooth. Like I don't know, I don't want to say sea foam. Like you ever have a therapeutic bed? That's what it feels like. So yeah, this is how it is out the box. Boxers, bralette. I'm gonna put these on real quick, so I'll be right back. I am back, and this is how we are looking. I already did a whole photo shoot before I even filmed this part of this video. I'm not gonna lie to y'all because I was looking good. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all specs. All right, so since we have the bralette, so it's really comfy. It feels very supportive. I thought it would be see-through, but it's not see-through. I'm just gonna lower this a little bit. Okay, so this is not see-through material at all. It is very comfortable. I know why. It's worth $36. I feel like I could wear this bra like a bra. Like, I mean, bralettes are bras. You don't know that, but whatever. But I'm just saying that I could wear this as a bra, everyday bra, because it feels very comfortable, and I can, like, you know, I feel supported. I could go through the day. I could go for a run in this. Very much loungewear, but very much quick. Put a t-shirt on, go to the grocery store, go where I have to go, and do it quick and not feel as if like I'm showing like nipples and stuff, because it's legit a bra. I like the way this makes your boobs look. My boobs are already perky enough, but this gives a little bit extra support on the bottom. Love that. Like, I don't know, like I honestly thought when I got this stuff I would hate it because I didn't want to spend $80, and I'm like, damn, like I hope this shit's fucking worth it, because $80 is a lot to be spending on some 2 things. But I actually really like this a lot, and this is me being honest. So I'm like not a Kim Kardashian craze. I'm not like a KKW. I don't care less about her name, but I definitely want to try this product because I heard a lot of good things about it, especially from local Twitter. So I'm happy I bought it. This is really cool. My next favorite part is the boxers. Definitely wear this every day on the weekend, lounging around. It's very comfortable. These colors actually match. A lot of times you buy like 2 pieces and they like are kind of off. These are the same exact color. Like they legit are a legit 2-piece. The band right here is a similar band as the one over here. I like it a lot because it doesn't accentuate my back fat. It's my biggest insecurity right now. I've been losing weight, eating better, doing all that fun stuff, and working out and all that fun stuff. But I'm just having trouble losing this back weight. I like how the way this pant ends. It doesn't like sit under my back weight. So I like the way where it's I'm not sure if it's meant to be high-waisted, but I put a high-waisted because I am short. But definitely love this. Would I say I would spend $80 every time buying this set? No. Am I happy that I have it? Yes. Am I gonna buy more? If God gives me more money. But I will say that I'm not mad at this cop. I say, like, if you have extra money to spend, you want to splurge on yourself and working hard during this quarantine, you want to spend a little money, you know, get a little something nice for yourself, this is definitely it. But I wouldn't say this would be my everyday, like, I want to buy Skims, thing, because I don't got that kind of money, you know. I own a business, I am going to school, all that fun stuff, so I don't want to be spending $80 for a set every single time. That's not financially smart. But I want to treat myself, and I love this so much. I'm not taking it off after this video. I'm going to go to bed in it because I just want to see how comfortable it is. I love it. Like, I don't know. I'm really like, you guys know I wouldn't lie to y'all and hype it up and what it is. But I'm telling y'all, I wouldn't buy this again. But I'm happy I have it, if that helps you out. So, here a little 360. This is how it looks in the back. Strapped, easy, comfortable. Boom. Definitely would recommend you getting this. So yeah, so I hope you all enjoy this Skims review. If you have any other questions I didn't explain in this video, please let me know. I want to make it quick, easy, and easy to follow. I'm gonna get back to my self-care day because it's only 10:11 and I still got a lot to do, like drink my wine, eat my snacks, eat some popcorn, all that fun stuff. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I will see y'all in my next video, which will be a new haul. So I hope you guys are excited for that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Turn on the notification bell so you know when I post videos. And yeah, stay blessed. I'm gonna take more pictures now. Bye.